everybody, welcome to Bunky's Workshop. I am Bunky, and of course here comes Mrs. Gidget. She's nosy. But anyways, as I promised, here is my other Vorwerk upright vacuum with a couple of accessories that I just happened to find. I know I have a lot more accessories downstairs in the workshop. I just can't find them. I know they're down there, but anyways, as I promised again, I did a video on the very vintage, if you will, other Vorwerk. And I promised that I had a second one and I would do a video on it on a little bit of a newer model. This is not the new one that is out now. That one I believe is all white with hints of green going through it, with mixed reviews on it. But anyways, I've had this for a long time and I thought I'd bring it along and share it with you guys. But here we go. I'm going to go through and clean it up a little bit because it is very dusty. It was sitting right next to its little brother, the one I just did the video on, and it has been sitting there for, well, oh good grief, I would give it almost 4 years now. So every now and then I would like dust it off or whatever and just put it back. I haven't been doing much with it. But I have to tell you, I do have two vintage vacuum cleaners coming in that I just purchased. And it's two vacuums that I've been looking forward to actually having one of my own from my own collection. So stay tuned. As soon as they come in, I'll do an unboxing and a demo and a cleanup and all that good stuff. So just a little heads up for what's coming around the corner. So let me get this cleaned up a little bit. So this, which you can see is extremely dusty and dirty, is the parquet or hard floor tile nozzle. And really it's not ever been used that I'm aware of. But it needs a cleaning. It needs its motor to stretch its legs and come to life. Oh, it is dusty though. But I'm sure it's happy to get out of the shop, get a little bit of a cleaning, get to see some sunlight, which we do have a little bit today. So not bad at all. But there you go, all nice and clean. Oh, my hook came with it. Whoops, sorry. So if I remember correctly with this, like right now it's standing up on its own. I don't believe it stands up on its own when you have the hard floor nozzle on. You have to lean it against the wall or something. But that is that. But you could tell if I look at this bag, look how dusty that is. Let's see if I can get it out of this nasty bag. I'm probably just going to throw this bag away and get myself a clean bag and the whole 9 yards. Let's see, what do we got here? What do we got? I think I'm going under, there we go. So basically in here, and it's crimped for being in the bag for so long, but that's fixable. No, it's pretty sad. It looks like, look what happened to the hose. It looks like something melted it. I didn't know that that ever happened. Anyways, but on the other end, you have a strap to where you can hook it to, you know, when you want to hold it on the side, it has a strap that goes around. That's down in the shop somewheres. But there you go. This is the part that connects to the bottom of the vacuum. And then this will connect. I believe I got that right. I haven't used it in so long. I'll have to just try it, right? But anyways, I'm sad that it looks like it's damaged. But I can always get another one. I always see a lot of those hoses and boxes of accessories for these on eBay. But here we go with the vacuum. I'm going to clean it up a little bit as well. It is on the dusty side. It needs a little bit of a wipe down. Now, I don't know if I told you guys or not, but I'm an Army brat, so I've been in Germany for a long time. And I did see these vacuums, but you always saw it because here on the handle, it has this hook. I always saw them inside of a closet, hanging on the back of a closet. And as a kid, I always thought they were just neat looking. But these aren't as powerful as the new ones out today. What's good about these is they do lay flat. You can get under things. They're very quiet. But I never found it to be the most powerful vacuum in the world. There we go. At least it got the dust off of it. Much better. So, you have a little button here, and you press, and the power head comes off. So this is, oh, there we go. This is the power head. Okay. So, if I remember correctly, when you take these out, you got a left and a right. It's not all one big power or one brush roll. It's got 1 and 2, and they come out, if I remember correctly. It's been a while. And they're plastic brush rolls. Anyway, 2 wheels in the back, and that's it. Just like the older one, there's no wheels, there's no adjustment. This kind of pretty much glides over the carpet. You have your reset button here, so if the light goes out, you got a reset button. Oh, good grief. That's basically it. Does have the metal base plate. You do have a handle here to pick up, and you have a handle here. Okay. You know what? These are very light. They're not heavy at all. And this is the Vorwerk VK121. There you go. You got your cable wind here, which the bottom one turns, and your cable comes off, or your wire. There we go, so it can lay flat. What else can I tell you about this? So what was this? Oh, okay. So the handle, let's see if I can get this to come off. There's a button, and the handle comes off, so you could pack it away or put it away or whatever. Now, if I remember correctly as well, downstairs I have the small handle that clips in here, and it turns this into like a small handheld vacuum. There you go. Now for the, let me back up so you can see this. So the bag, which I always thought was neat, is you have this little clip here, you pull it, and the bag goes off to the side. And then inside of this is your paper bag, which is, of course, brand new, never used, because I put it away after I cleaned it and never used it. but it goes right in there. This comes down and clips right in there. It's a nice thick rubber seal. And it goes right back and click. Here is your on-off switch. And that's it, really all to it. This goes back on here. Nice click. So let's see if the poor girl works still. This thing has not ran for a long while. So, but we're going to find out if she fires up or not. Here goes nothing. Very quiet. Very, very quiet machine. But I could hear the brush roll on the carpet, so that was good. Let's give it a quick roll around real quick. Well, it definitely grooms the carpet. Now, I don't know if this thing does a very deep down clean, but it still runs in quiet, smooth as butter. All right, let me get you down on the floor so we can do our rice. Okay, let me put down some rice, and let's see if this poor girl can pick it up. Not bad, not perfect. So I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces of rice. Not bad, I mean, for an old vacuum cleaner, huh? But again, I always say that, you know, German vacuums are built to last. And here we are. All right, well, let's suck up this mess. Get my stuff out of the way. Let's take this girl out and stretch her legs. That is not bad at all. It's grooming the carpet very well. Let's see what the suction's like on this thing. Something tells me, but I can't remember, that this handle does something else, but I can't remember, to be honest with you. But anyway, put it back together. Okay, let me get you back up on the tripod. Well, there you go. I'm just going to say, I still don't think this is a bad vacuum. I mean, it was so easy. It glides right over the carpet. And it lays flat to go under furniture. It is weird because this is a very tall, long vacuum. But it's quiet. It's versatile. And after all these years, they're amazing vacuums. The Germans do make some quality vacuums. Okay. Sorry about the beeping in the background, but we have a weather alert here. Wind this back up. But there we go. I'm glad that I got it out to stretch her legs. I still like it. I definitely like this model over the other model. The other one does okay, but it's a bit on the weak side. It's more of a floor sweeper, if you will, versus this. I think it's more for light duty vacuuming. So I definitely think this is a step up or two. Now, I have seen videos on the new Vorwerk that's out now to be very pricey, and it does have very good suction and agitation. But I just really haven't had the oomph to really go get one. I like this one as being a vintage vacuum, and of course the other one that I showed you before, I like it. I just think they're neat and they're different. But for me, it's not my favorite vacuum to grab, but I do like them. So anybody out there have any information on these, or has one or uses one on a daily basis, let me know. Put it down in the comment section below. I would like to chat more about them. But we have the hard floor parquet nozzle. We have a, you know what happened to this, so I'll just get a new one. New old stock or used one, whatever. But there you go, and I'll throw out the bag. and we'll move on, right? Thanks for coming along. I'll be talking to you soon. Hope everybody's having a wonderful time out there. The weather here is slowly changing. I can't wait to get outside and cut grass and open the pool and get out there on the deck and just outside. I'm tired of being stuck in the house. So anyways, talk to you soon. Subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and ring that bell so each and every time I upload a video, you'll be notified, okay? Talk to you soon.